right, so here is the reveal of the new Bronco. And let's see what Mrs. Gone in 60 has to say about it since it's going to be hers.
Dude,
What?
dude,
What? You, you're, you're really going there?
Okay. All right.
Oh, okay. I'll be right back. We good now? Okay, and so for on the four-door, we went ahead with the Weld Off-Road. I believe this wheel is called the Redondo. And I went with the Cooper Discovery AT3. This is a 275 5520. And I believe this is a newer tire that I went with. I stayed with Cooper. I stayed with Weld Racing on the two-door. And this is a Cooper Discovery Rugged Trek. And I got them a little bit cheaper than what I got the AT3s for, but still they're quiet and good rating off-road, good rating on-road. And I fell in love with this wheel, and luckily Mrs. Gone in 60 likes the wheel also, so my work is done here. All right, so let me know what you think about the new wheel and tire setup on both Broncos.